Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming access to GPT-4o with image generation, because without the right model you cannot proceed. Once confirmed, gather 1 to 5 reference images and label them clearly. This speeds composition. Next, type a focused prompt that states subject, desired style, aspect ratio, and size, 1024 x 1024 for square, 16:9 for widescreen, and include any hard constraints. This first action moves you from setup to creation, and it helps the system know exactly what to render and why those details matter. Now refine the prompt to control the how and the why. Add mood, color palette, lighting references, and camera terms so the model interprets intent correctly. Use a layered approach. Write a base prompt, then create 2 or 3 variations to explore options. Add negative prompts to exclude unwanted elements. Before you hit generate, select iterations, set a seed for reproducibility, and choose upscaling if you need higher resolution. This ensures predictable refinement and reduces random surprises in the middle of the workflow. Finish by reviewing outputs and choosing the best render. You can apply minor edits or recompute with an adjusted prompt to refine composition. Once satisfied, export at the required resolution and file type and save originals so you can iterate later. If results look off, incorrect anatomy, weird artifacts, or wrong style, first adjust negative prompts, then increase iterations, or change the seed and rerun. This targeted troubleshooting fixes most problems quickly and makes sure your final image matches the intent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.